Have you ever started something with the best intentions, only to realize it just wasn't the right fit for you? That's exactly how I felt about Acorns. I've been on a mission to make investing as easy and accessible as possible. I've always loved the idea of micro-investing, and Acorns seemed like the perfect solution. The concept is brilliant. You link your cards, and it rounds up your purchases, investing the change automatically. It's a frictionless way to start building wealth, and for the first few months, I was all in. I loved seeing my spare change add up and get invested without me even thinking about it. It felt like I was saving money I didn't even know I had. But after about 6 months, a few things started to bother me, and I realized that Acorns, while great in theory, wasn't the right tool for my financial goals. The first big issue for me was the fees. Acorns charges a monthly fee, and while it seems small, just a few dollars, it can eat into your returns, especially when your account balance is low. When you're only investing a few cents at a time, those fees can take a significant bite out of your growth. I ran the numbers, and I was losing a noticeable percentage of my gains just to the monthly fee. The second reason was the lack of control. Acorns invests your money into a pre-selected portfolio of ETFs. While this is great for beginners who want a hands-off approach, I realized I wanted more say in where my money was going. I wanted to be able to pick specific companies I believed in, not just a broad market index. Finally, and this is the biggest reason, I found a better alternative. I realized that the set it and forget it method was a good start, but I was ready to level up my investing game. I wanted a platform that offered commission-free trading, a wider range of investment options, and the ability to truly understand and manage my portfolio. I needed something that would grow with me. So, I made the decision to transfer my funds out of Acorns and into a different brokerage account. I'm not saying Acorns is a bad platform. In fact, for someone who is brand new to investing and needs a simple, hands-off approach, it can be a fantastic way to get started. But for me, it was a stepping stone, and after 6 months, I was ready to move on. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.